Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Sign into your Microsoft account under Settings to enable sync. Open Start, choose Settings, then Accounts, and check your email address. Turn on sync settings to resume desktop, app, and theme syncing across devices. Open OneDrive from the system tray to confirm files list and syncing status. If OneDrive prompts for a sign-in, complete that sign-in using the same Microsoft account email address. Confirm Windows shows active sync and the correct account email at the top. Pause and resume OneDrive for 5 minutes to refresh syncing activity. Right-click the OneDrive icon, select Pause Syncing, wait 5 minutes, then select Resume Syncing. Sync your PC clock with internet time using Settings, Time, and Date and choose Sync Now. Install pending Windows updates, then restart your computer to apply fixes and updates. Check for storage limits in OneDrive and confirm you have sufficient space, especially if you exceed 5 GB or plan to sync large folders. Reset OneDrive if basic steps fail using the Run command shown on screen. Open Run and enter %localappdata %\Microsoft\OneDrive\OneDrive. exe/reset to reset the service. If reset does not restart OneDrive, open OneDrive manually from start. Unlink and relink your PC in OneDrive settings, then confirm files reappear and begin syncing again. Finally, use Settings, Accounts, Sync to verify all desired categories, show on and test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.